Welcome to 19105 Abercorn Place, Villarosa, Lutz, Florida. Linda Nowicke and the Tampa Realty Now team proudly present this 1,746 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home with a sparkling heated pool and spa and a fenced backyard, all located on a quiet Cul de Sac home site in the Steinbrenner School District. Inviting curb appeal with tropical landscaping, a slate tile entry, and etched glass double doors welcome you. This popular open floor plan has easy care laminate floors in the main living areas. The living dining room combination is great for entertaining. The updated chef-inspired kitchen offers a recessed refrigerator, large pantry, pendant lights, stone counters, tile backsplash, updated cabinets, a stainless glass range, microwave, dishwasher, and a stainless sink. The kitchen opens to the breakfast nook and family room with its volume ceilings and a designer ceiling fan. The master bedroom has a slider out to the pool and a walk-in closet with closet organizers. The master bath features dual separate sinks, a garden tub, and a walk-in shower. 2 additional bedrooms on the opposite side of the home share a full bath. Relax and recharge in the heated pool and spa, where the fully screened and partially covered lanai expands the living space and allows for dining al fresco year-round. The totally fenced backyard is perfect for pets. Villarosa, with its park, sports fields, and tennis courts, is close to top-rated Steinbrenner High School, TPC and Heritage Harbor golf courses, and the Veterans Expressway. 19105 Abercorn Place, your new home in Villarosa, Lutz, Florida. For more information, please call your Tampa Realtor, Linda Nowicke, at 813-413-4343, email info@tamparealtynow.com, or visit our website, www.tamparealtynow.com.